Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm giving you antidote. Antidote for spiritual attack. What is antidote for spiritual attack? Hmm. I will give you. I will tell you the meaning. I will tell you the effects and the solution. When you notice you have spiritual attack, Aporo Offa in general. That is antidote for spiritual attack. You will need 8 items, 8 good items. You will get it for me. And I will have chance to show you some of the items here. There is no new in what I'm about to tell you. That is, maybe it can give you a difficult to get it. You will not have difficulties to get any of this item unless you are not in Nigeria. Bismillah. What are the items? And before the items, let me tell you the effects of this thing. Yeah, why you need to have it at home. It's not that you will be waiting until you have spiritual attack to have this antidote at home. Anyone can have it. Everybody can have it at home. Especially for the people that they normally have sleeping paralysis. Sleeping paralysis, I can say it's natural and at the same time it has spiritual effects. I'm now here to talk about the spiritual, but I want to give antidote for spiritual attack. And for the people that they normally hit on their dream whenever they sleep, even for 2 seconds, 2 minutes, they will have dream of eating while sleeping and sleeping paralysis. And for the people that have problem, they know it's not natural, that is offer. You have boil on your body, you have rashes, and all this thing is affecting you for your daily activities. Go and get all these items ready and make it. You put it at home. You will be taking it whenever you wake up. You see you are feeling so tired, you have a bad dream. You just go straight there and drink 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons at night, and you will be using it to rub your body. Bismillah for the items. First of all, you will get Egbo today. You see, this is Egbo today. Number one. Number two, you look for Christmas melon, Tagiri. Number three, you look for Baraegusi bitter melon. Yeah, bitter melon. That is number three. Number four of it, you look for a duck and you take all the intestine out of the duck. You put it together. That is number four. Number five, you look for a kwasin shrew. You put it there. You ask Eleweomo for Ikwasin, you will get it there. And also you look for Obu Toyo, Obu Toyo. That is our local salt. It's a local substitute salt. You look for it. And also, I've mentioned Adiyeyan. I've mentioned then Elegede Tutu. You look for a fresh leaf of a pumpkin field. Pumpkin field, you look for a fresh leaf of it. You pound all these items together. Bismillah. You look for a mortar, strong one. You pound everything, like pounding everything. You pound it together. Just put it in a tray. Allow it to dry, but don't put it directly to the sun. After drying, you see it's drying. Pound it again and sieve it. Then bring out palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil, adiyeyan, you pour everything inside it. You'll be taking 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons at night, and you use it to rub your body. Bi-isnillahi ta'ala. Bi-isnillahi ta'ala. You will come out with a lot of testimony. You will be fine. Allah will ease your stuffiness or your pain, inshallah rahman. And don't forget to call us for our special package. And the item I listed for you now, this is the ready-made. We make it ready already. It's for a special client. If you don't have access to all these items, you can contact Sheikh Afagba International Limited on this number is 0810 913 1425. And don't forget to support charity. Support our charity account. The account number is 0932981364. Global Dahiratu Dhikrlahi Islamic Organization. That's the name on it. And the bank name is Guarantee Trust Bank, GT Bank of Nigeria. Bi-isnillahi ta'ala. Call us for any kind of spiritual sickness, natural sickness. Massalamu wa ila liqai.